Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the chapter 3 analysis of rate. In this class we discuss about the cement concrete part. In this class we discuss the material used in cement concrete and the numbers of labor used in the cement concrete and what are the things we add in the analysis of rate of cement concrete. So here the sum total quantity of determining the quantity of material for 10 cubic concrete is to divide it 15.2 by the sum of the number of the portion of the material which gives the quantity of cement in cubic. To find out the material for 10 cubic of cement of 1:4:8 proportion of cement is used 15.2. So total here if we consider the proportion of material for the cement concrete is 1:4:8. So here the total material quantity for the dry quantity of material it is 15.2 and the proportion we add here which is 1 plus 4 plus 8 it is equal to 13. So 15.2 which is the dry material quantity required for the cement concrete by 13 it is equal to 1.17 cubic for one part of the ratio is required. So we can say here say it is also we consider 1.15 cubic also. Then we consider for the sand part. We know here the ratio of cement is 1. Then we define the part of sand which is the ratio is 4. Therefore sand is equal to 1.15 or 1.17 we can write here into 4. It is equal to 4.60 cubic. And the ballast or aggregate here used. So which is the comparison or also we write down here 1.17 or 1.15. It is into 8 part because the aggregate proportion is 8. So 1.15 into 8 which is equal to 9.20 cubic. And the material requirement for different portion of cement concrete it is equal to 10 cubic. So quantity of material may be calculated by taking 15.2 as sum total and divided by sum of the proportion. Then we discuss about the different types of proportion and for the need of ballast and also we called it as aggregate, then sand and cement. For the proportion of the cement concrete 1:1.5:3, the ballast requirement is 8.40 cubic and sand requirement is 4.20 cubic and cement requirement is 2.80 cubic. First of all, we discuss how can we define the ballast quantity, sand quantity and cement quantity. So here we already discussed about the 1:4:8 ratio. First of all, if any proportion we need to consider the material or dry material quantity it is equal to 15.2 for 10 cubic or 1.52 cubic for 1 cubic of cement concrete work. So we consider this value of the cement dry material quantity, then we need to calculate the proportion of the cement concrete. So here we using the dry material quantity of 15.2, then we define the ballast quantity and sand quantity and cement quantity. So we know cement is always in bag, so we need to convert cement in bag. So how many cubic we define the cement, then it is converted to as bag. So here for the 1:1.5:3 the ballast required is 8.40 cubic and the sand required is 4.20 cubic and the cement required is 2.80 cubic. So 2 point here the cement requirement or cement quantity is in cubic, so we need to convert in bags. So 2.80 cubic is equal to 84 bags. Then here also 1:2:4 for the 1:2:4 proportion the ballast requirement is 8.80 cubic and the sand requirement is 4.40 cubic and the cement requirement is 2.20 cubic. Also we write here the 2.20 cubic it is equal to 66 bags. Okay, then we consider the 1:3:6 ratio. Here the 1:3:6 ratio the ballast requirement is 9.00 cubic, then sand requirement is 4.50 cubic, then cement requirement is 1.50 cubic. Also we write down here the 1.50 cubic it is equal to 45 bags. Then we consider the proportion of 4:8. So here for the 1:4:8 proportion, the ballast requirement is 9.2 cubic and the sand requirement is 4.60 cubic and the cement requirement is 1.15 cubic. We already defined that in example number 1. Okay, so here the 1.15 cubic also it is the consider as 34.5 bag, or we can write here 34 bag also or 35 bag also. Then we consider the proportion of 1:5:10. So for the 1:5:10, the ballast requirement is 9.50 cubic and the sand requirement is the 4.75 cubic and the cement requirement is 0.95 cubic. So here the 0.95 cubic is equal to 28.5 bags, or also we consider it is as 28 bags or 29 bags. Then proportion of 1:6:12. So for the 1:6:12, we put the same formula and the ballast requirement is 9.60 cubic and sand requirement is 4.80 cubic and the cement requirement is 0.80 cubic, which is equal to 24 bag. Okay. Then we discuss about the calculation process of first class brickwork or cement concrete part. So here for the cement concrete 1:5:10 in foundation or floor with brick ballast 40 mm and 1.5 inch thick gauge unit 1 cubic we taken. Then here we consider 10 cubic because the material requirement for we find out by the basis of 10 cubic. So here we first take 10 cubic, then we define the 1 cubic value. Okay, so here the ratio is given 1:5:10. We know for 1 cubic meter, sorry, for the 10 cubic of meter of cement concrete, the ratio is 1:5:10. The ballast requirement is 9.5 cubic and the sand requirement is 4.75 cubic and the cement bag requirement is 28.5 bags, or we also write down here 0.95 cubic. Okay, it is the quantity. So first of all we discuss about the abstract. It is the rate analysis abstract. Here first we write down the box serial number, then particulars, then quantity or numbers we can write here, then rate and cost. Rate also we define in race and price, and cost also we define in race and price. So first of all we discuss about material. After that we discuss about the labor part. So in case of material, here brick ballast first class brickwork is used, which is 40 mm gauge. Okay, already mentioned in the question. So here the material gauge is provided, which is 40 mm gauge. So the quantity we already know because 1:5:10 the quantity of ballast is 9.50 given in the table, right? Then we discuss about the sand part. So sand the quantity is 4.75 cubic right here. Then cement is 0.95 cubic or 28.5 bags. We consider it as. Then put the rate of the brick ballast, sand and cement. So here the brick ballast per cubic cost we consider 3,000 rupees and the sand per cubic cost is 150 rupees and here the cement per cubic cost is 4,410 rupees, or also we consider it as a bag per bag rupees, which is 280 rupees, or here also we consider for the cubic rupees price. So here the cement cost is 4,410. So the total cost of the brick ballast is 2,850. How can we define? The per cubic cost is 3,000. So here 9.50 cubic use. So 9.50 cubic into 3,000, it is equal to 2,850, right? In case of sand, also same procedure we apply. The sand quantity is 4.75 into rate of sand per cubic is 150. So 4.75 into 150, it is equal to 712.50. It means 712 rupees and 50 paisa. Then cement we consider. Cement is per cubic value is 4,410, but here only 0.95 cubic used. So for the 0.95 cubic, how much the value? It is 4,189.50 paisa. Then the total cost of material is equal to 2,850 plus 712.50 and 4,189.50. It is equal to 7,752. It is the the material cost. So student, today time is over. The remaining part or labor calculation we discuss in next class. Thank you so much.